Hello, welcome to my channel. Sometime last year we had made some jalapeno poppers, and early this year we made stuffed chicken breast with spinach and cream cheese, and this time around we are combining the two recipes together and making jalapeno and cream cheese stuffed chicken breast. My ingredients are, I have 3 chicken breast which I rinsed and pat dry. I am going to cut pockets into them and I'm going to show you that. We are also using 4 green jalapeno chilies and 1 red for color. Thereafter we are going to use 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, 4 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of paprika, a sprinkle of mixed herbs, and half a teaspoon of garlic salt, a grain of pepper, a grain of salt, and then I'm going to need 1 cup of grated cheese. I'm going to cut open my chicken breast and then make the stuffing for the chicken. Here's my chicken that I slit open and formed it into a pocket. I'll wash my hand and get back. And now for my jalapeno and cream cheese stuffing. I have sliced my jalapeno and crushed my garlic. So I'm just going to add it in. I'm using 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. A teaspoon of paprika. A sprinkle of mixed herbs. And half a teaspoon of garlic salt. A grain of black pepper. And a grain of salt. And also my cup of grated cheese. I will give this a nice mix. This is my cream cheese and jalapeno stuffing mixture. I'm just going to cover and keep aside. This time around, we are not going to crumb our chicken breast, but we are going to brush it with some sauce. And now I'm going to show you how it's done. Firstly, I'm going to add salt onto the chicken breast. And then my pepper. Give this a turn. I'll wash my hands. And I'm also going to put salt on the other side. And the pepper. For my sauce, I am using 2 teaspoons of barbecue spice, which will give us a smoky taste. I'm also going to use a tablespoon of mayonnaise and a teaspoon of our homemade hot sauce. Our hot sauce became so popular that we made a batch and sold recently. I'm going to mix this all together. When we mix our hot sauce to our mayonnaise, it becomes a little milder, not too hot. Now I am ready to stuff my chicken breast. So I'm taking a little bit of stuffing at a time and putting it into another bowl. And this is the opening of the chicken. I just need a little bit more stuffing, so I'll wash my hands quickly. The stuffing that I made will be enough for 6 breasts, and I've got 3 breasts in the fridge. I'll stuff them later and keep them away. The stuffing has been done, and I'm ready to seal the chicken breast with my toothpick. So I'm going to use 2 toothpicks each. I've closed up my chicken breast with a toothpick, and I needed a few extra here and there. I put in a few extra toothpicks. Now I'll quickly wash my hands. Last time I did my chicken breast in the oven. This time around we are going to do it in our air fryer. Here I have a piece of parchment paper put to my basket, and I'm going to use spray and cook onto the parchment paper. I'm just going to set up my stuffed chicken breast onto the parchment paper. Again, I will wash my hand. There's my chicken breast, set it very well into the basket. And now I am just going to brush in my sauce. I am not using any oil to the chicken breast because our mayonnaise have oil. I am trying to finish off my sauce so you can have a rich coating on the top. My chicken breast is set very well in the basket, and I'm ready to put it into the air fryer. Yeah, I'm gonna let the timer come on and then go for chicken and put my timer on again. So it's going to take 25 minutes onto 180 degrees. We will check about 15 minutes in and give our chicken breast a turn. We flipped our chicken over when it was 15 minutes, and thereafter we gave it an extra 2 minutes. So all in all, the cooking was done in 27 minutes. So now we are ready to open and show you how beautiful the chicken look. A little bit of its cheese has split it out, but it's all good because it adds to the flavor. Now I am going to plate up and serve. Here you go, your lovely chicken breast stuffed with jalapeno and cream cheese. And this was done so lovely in the air fryer, and it took us only 27 minutes. And thereafter, we had some of our cheese split, so we're using it as a lovely sauce on the top. We are serving our chicken breast today with a nice freshly made green salad. This is a good option if you like a spicy meal. Give it a try, and thank you all for watching and enjoy.